Hello traders, welcome back to daily answers video, and let's start with analysis of bank nifty guys. We are in the 15 minutes time frame, and as you guys remember, in my previous video I told you the bank nifty can go sideways if it opens between the range, which is 37,400 and 37,000. So what the bank nifty did today is it opened gap down between in this range and it went sideways. So let's see what the bank nifty can do on Monday. If the bank nifty opens flat, we can draw a trend line here, and this trend line will be broken and we can see the bank nifty reaching 37,000. So you guys can short here having an SL which is 37,290 and the target will be 37,000. okay, but don't trade if the bank nifty opens gap up or gap down, okay, because until the bank nifty stays in this range we cannot get a proper perspective that the way the market is going. Okay, so we are not trading if the bank nifty opens a gap up or gap down. Okay, and that's all for the analysis of bank nifty guys. Let's go for the stocks, and the first stock will be Tata Motors. So as you guys can see, the Tata Motors is consolidating or trying for a breakout here at its resistance. So you guys can go long here having an SL of 325. The minimum target for the stock will be 348. Okay, so the next stock will be Upl Limited. The Upl Limited is trying for a reversal by making W pattern. Yes, the structure is not complete, but you guys can go along here having SL below this wick, which is 698, and the minimum target for the stock will be 753. And the next stock will be UltraTechcem Limited. So this stock has reversed from its demand zone and also made a very good green candle. So you guys can go along here having a sell 7,355. Sorry, it's 7,356, and the target for the stock will be 7,600, and the next target for the stock will be 7,800, and the last stock will be Glenmark Pharmaceuticals. So it has made a very beautiful pattern. So after a fall, it reversed in a W pattern, and it also tested this level, okay, and it's trying for a up move. So you guys can go long here having SL below this wick, which is 505.5, and the minimum target for the stock will be 535.5. okay, and that's all for today guys. Thank you guys for watching. And another thing guys, if you guys want intraday targets and intraday stop losses on these stocks, check out the Telegram channel. We're going to put everything on Telegram channel. Okay, and thank you guys for watching. That's all for today.